Okay, hi, good morning, students. Welcome to your next chapter of your schooling life. Welcome to Form 6 and welcome to KTESI, College Tingkatan 6 Sri Istana. So the slot is going to continue with Taklimat Mata Pelajaran, Chemistry. I'm Puan Lalita S. Balakrishnan, the representative of Chemistry Unit for KTESI. So I'll take you for a very short journey to show you or to brief you about chemistry in this video. So please continue with me for the next 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, thank you. Okay, so this is the organization chart for the chemistry department of KTESI. It's definitely led by our pengetua Puan Hajabida binti Kasim, followed by Puan Zabeda binti Rahmat, Ketua Jabatan, Ketua Unit Kimia me, myself, and followed by 7 other chemistry teachers together. So they are Puan Pramala, Puan Eng Le Kwan, Puan Jagadeswari, Puan Yap, Puan Harlina, Mr. Ang, and Mr. Lim. Okay, so let's continue. I will also introduce you all these chemistry teachers personally. So let's go one by one. She is Puan Eng Le Kwan. She's Puan Eng Le Kwan, followed by Puan Harlina. She's Puan Harlina. This is me. I think I don't need an introduction. And then next to me will be Puan Yap. Puan Yap Kamoy, followed by Puan Jagadeswari, Puan Pramala, and Mr. Lim Boon Leong. So we have another teacher together who is Mr. Ang. So sorry, we couldn't get a pic together all together, so had to put him just separately next to us. So these are your future chemistry teachers of KTESI. Please have a good look and remember them. Any one of them would be your chemistry teacher when you join us together. Okay, so we go to the next section, which is the most important section, where chemistry, there will no be chemistry without any laboratory work. Okay, there must be lab activities, there must have lab, so we must have labs for chemistry, and we are very proud, actually I'm very proud to say that KTESI, we have 2 chemistry labs, okay, and they are physical lab. This is for lower 6, and this is the organic inorganic lab for the upper 6. So there will be more hazardous chemicals will be handled for the upper 6. So that's why we put them with the organic and inorganic lab. Okay. Okay, and the next section we continue with our syllabus with the format Stpm chemistry. The code of your paper is 962. Okay, and this 962 comes as 962 1, 2, and 3. Actually, we got another one which is 4. I did not put up here. I will show that later in a few more slides time. Okay, what is 962 1, 2, and 3? It refers to the term. When you sit for term 1, the code is 9621, term 2 9622, and term 3 paper is 9623. And these are the number of chapters that you have to complete in each term. So this is like a magic number that I always tell my students is 6, 7, 8. Okay, now further up. Okay, this is your first term, the 6 chapters that I mentioned earlier. Okay, these are the 6 chapters. You can read up more detail when you get your book. I don't want to bore you here. Okay, so these are the 6 chapters. Now followed by the next 7 chapters that is in second term. Your first chapter, as I said, is all physical chemistry. Your second chapter will be inorganic chemistry, but unfortunately we had to include 2 more physical chemistry chapters also in second term because it was not able to fit into your first term time frame. It's too short, we couldn't include them. So we have another 2 more. Okay, what's the difference? Physical chemistry is more on calculation, more on calculations. Okay, it's very nice, interesting. So your maths must be quite pretty good there. But inorganic chemistry will be more on reactions, equations. Okay, it's either you memorize it or you understand it. But definitely there's no chemistry without equation. That is inorganic chemistry. So next one will be organic chemistry, which is all on your carbon compounds. So I think you do have some introduction from your SPM. You have learned about 5 families there, but definitely you're going to learn more in Form 6. There are about 13 families, even though there are only 8 chapters, but you have more families because they're all incorporated together with the big chapters, like hydrocarbons inclusive of 3 families there. So it will be something like that. There will be many hidden families in one big chapters. Okay, so 6, 7, 8, these are your chapters. These are the syllabus that you're going to conquer in this whole STPM syllabus. Okay, 6 chapters for term 1, 7 for term 2, and 8 chapters for term 3. Okay, now let's go on. Okay, this is what I told you earlier. There are 4 codes, 4 papers actually. So 962/4 is actually your paper 4, or we call them as coursework. Another way is kerja khusus. So what is paper 4? What do you have in paper 4? We have 13 compulsory experiment and 1 main project that you'll handle them in term 3. Okay, 13 compulsory experiment is actually this whole thing, this whole paper 4, you will be doing it overall from term 1, term 2 to term 3. So you will, this is an entire, it is in a small mini exam that you will be going through for the entire Form 6. Okay, that is paper 4. And definitely these papers are examined by our own teachers, by your own teachers they'll be examined. So this is some a paper which will be helping you a lot, especially during experiment, skill work and all that. Okay, so this paper 4 we have 13 compulsory experiment, 5 in term 1, 5 for second term and 3 in term 3. But we do have extra practices for you in term 1 and term 2, because this, as I said, it's a short mini exam. When during the compulsory experiment you are not allowed to communicate, not allowed to refer, you are supposed to do it all by yourself. It's all individual experiment. Pair work experiment, very little, about 3 experiments only. Okay, so you must be very independent doing all these experiments. That's why before you go into the compulsory experiment, we have to help you with it. We have to guide you thoroughly by doing all the practices. Okay, so this is your paper 4, 962/4. This is your paper 4 that you have to know. Okay, next one is the format of exam, the marking. Okay, this is your exam format. Every term, 962, 1, 2 or 3, all the written papers, these are the written papers, comes as 3 different sections, A, B, C. A for multiple choice, 15 questions, B for 2 structures, and C for 2 essays out of 3. So these are the marks allocated, 15, 15, 30. Altogether, you'll find them as 60 marks. Every paper is total of 60 marks. And the time frame given to us is 1 hour, 30 minutes for each set of written paper. Okay. So if you look at the weightage, if you look at the mark weightage, paper 1 60 marks, 2 60, paper 3 60. Paper 4 is your practical work, your coursework, which is under 225 marks. That will be actually about 20% all out of the 100% that we are referring to. So all your written papers weightage is 26.67%, but your paper 4 is 20%. So they are very important. Paper 4 is very important. Do not take it very lightly, even though it's conducted in school and marked by your school teachers. Okay, please take them as very high responsibility as all the other 3 papers. Okay, and we are always willing to help all of you with all the guidance. Okay. And next one, these are all our yearly activities. Okay, these are activities that we always undergo every year. So this is JKKA, a district level competition. We were champion for 2017 and 18 2 times. 3rd place also we got it in 2018. But unfortunately last year 2019 we didn't have, there were no activities, no district level activities. So we were unable to participate. And then these are science week programs in school level. Quiz Kimia Kebangsaan, this is the national level quiz the students normally sit for, and we always get distinction students from the quiz. From the quiz Kebangsaan we do get distinction students. Okay, and then we do have exam technique workshop and all that. Okay, the other one is followed by all the programs that we have for academic level. Okay, to help you, to boost you, to make you score better, these are the few programs that we conduct for school level, for our college level. These are the activities that we do conduct. We will go through more when you come and we join us together. Okay, so okay, and these are some pictures for you to enjoy. All your seniors, this was during the JKK district level on where they snatched the champion cup. Okay, these are their lab activities. Okay, these are lab activities. This was our Charama technique that was handled in KDU, College Damansara. Okay, and these are the few. I didn't, because we are short of time, I didn't put in many pictures. So anyhow, I hope I've given you a short briefing about our chemistry and given you a good picture, information and all that. But definitely even though when you come back, you will get a better picture. You'll get better, clearer picture when you start the journey with us. So just a small advice, if you want to shine like a sun, please start burning like a sun. So Form 6 is not difficult, it is doable, it is definitely achievable. So good luck and have a good time, and hope to see you soon in College Tingkatan 6 Sri Istana. Thank you.